Hello. So we're gonna be going downtown Detroit today. Take some photos with the A7S III 85mm. Heading out from my apartment in Lafayette Park. And yeah, let's get right on to it. Wow, that building's looking sweet. Hudson's Sight. Okay, let's try here too. It's kind of cool. I wish I could zoom out a little bit. Got this 85mm on. I don't know why, kinda. This is cool. Pop in. Put them right in the center. That's not bad. I have taken worse photos than that. I can't complain. Oh, gotta get the Lions flag. It's kind of tricky. This damn flag won't. It's not flagging. Come on, you flags. Start flagging. Oh, might work. Now it's really flagging. It's kind of cool. Actually, kind of. It's not nothing special, but it's kind of a cool shot. So I'm gonna make sure I get a little more of that. Oh, that's in sight. Could be cool, could be cool. Probably not. We'll keep moving. This just looks beautiful. Oh, back up, it's not bad. Maybe. If you go far enough that way, you get this cool bridge as foreground. It's pretty sweet, but I'm too lazy to go all the way over there today. So let's just snap a few pics, see what it's looking like here. Maybe crouch down a bit. Could be worse. Oh, I was just blocking that car. Maybe. Purpose, of this video, I just kind of do this a lot in downtown. I just love to, after work, come on, shoot some photos, walk around, get a little exercise. Whoa, this is sweet. Hold up. Oh, this is cool too. Anyway, I keep getting distracted. The purpose of this video, whoa! Here's another one. This is kind of cool. I love when the sun is like, actually let me get right in the middle. Exactly halfway on a building like this. It just makes all the shadows really stand out. It looks a lot cooler. Maybe through the fence. I don't know if this is gonna exactly get the effect I want, but that's actually pretty cool. Kinda like that. Anyway, so I love just coming downtown after work and walking around and getting some photos. It's just a fun way to practice photography, get some exercise. Sometimes you meet some people and whatnot. It's fun. So the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna be doing that same thing and just showing it to you guys. Maybe I'll start a series because I definitely can't fit all of Detroit into one video. Yeah, as well as to just kind of show how beautiful of a city Detroit really is. That's kind of the other purpose of this video and possible series. I think Detroit gets a lot of shit, a lot of stigma. Oh wait, this guy looks cool. Yeah.
Are you there and gets photos?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's funny though.
He's my role.
Oh yeah? What's his Instagram? I'll follow it.
It's Derek, D-E-R-E-K, gets photos.
Nice, for sure.
Just like Metro Detroit photography.
Oh, cool. I'll check him out. Awesome. Yeah, have a good one. So hopefully you guys can get something out of this video in this series. And yeah, enjoy. I don't know why this looks kind of cool. Don't want to be too creepy here, but we're gonna try it. Oh, this is another one. It's actually really cool. Come down here. Alright, enough creeping on Starbucks. Those might be cool though. I'll do a classic. You can just kind of go right in the center of this crosswalk, so you kind of got to time it with all the cars, not piss anybody off. Like right now, maybe. We'll get this bus coming. You can get like right here. Just centers it up real nice for you. Real nice, like. It's kind of cool. Bus driver looks badass, bro. What's up, my guy? Marka. Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Oh, it's weird. I can only watch this here. Shutter works. The sign here. It's getting all fucked up. The sign is not changing. That's too much reflection. If you're not from Detroit and you don't know, even though Loft had the rat infestation, had the rat infestation, they're still way better. Yeah. Closed for remodeling. That's funny. Remodeling the routes the rats can get fucking in. Okay, this looks kind of cool. Why not? Oh, this is trash. That is not a great photo. But you know, I've taken worse photos. See, again, 85 isn't the ideal lens right here. This is still kind of cool. Some cool lighting going on in the Shinola Hotel. Maybe I'll get a little closer, question mark. And the Shinola building's got some sick light right now. What the hell? I'll put it at the bottom. I feel like I'm gonna like the bottom framed shot more. Just haven't really needed to. I mean, the light on the building, whoa. Look at that little like light splash. Probably really bring that out post. It's kind of cool. At least the sign is a little bit of foreground. And that's pretty sweet. One more. Kind of want to get like that. Is this the time to go horizontal? Get some here. I don't want this lady in the shot. Whatever. I'll have to do, don't get all this light. Let's see. Damn bus. Oh, this looks really cool. I think. Like that. Oh, go ahead, man. Thanks, though. A little closer. Nothing much. People are so nice when you have a camera. They just let you do whatever. They're so patient. I love it. Oh wow. Look at this. Shit, I think I kind of gotta wait for that shot. That was really cool. But one kind of rule in street photography is like, if I come across a photo like this, where I just missed that shot where the guy was walking across the street there, typically 1 to 2 minutes, wait around a spot, move on. I find that to be more important than like pulling up at one location and just trying to get the perfect photo. I think street photography is less about that, more about capturing things in the moment. So yeah, if you can, you know, get a shot within a few minutes, awesome. If not, unless it's like a bucket shot for you. You kind of gotta move on is my thought process. But yeah, there's nobody coming, so this might be a move on. Okay. Not worth. Maybe when I come back out it'll be cooler. Okay, now we're going into the Guardian building. Amazing. No, it's just beautiful. All the architecture. It's so sick. How fucking sick this is. So white balance. Okay, one good trick that I use a lot because I only have a, yeah, go ahead. I only have a 24 to 70 mil. Like, it's pretty wide, but I kind of want to get like this and a little bit more of the ceiling. So I do a lot, instead of shooting vertically, you can go wide and get a few different photos. So I think like there, there, there. We'll see how that looks. And then in Lightroom, you can just combine those photos together. Okay, let's get one more photo down here. No, I'm gonna miss him. Fuck. Alright, the shot was not meant to be. It would be so cool though. Oh, look at that. And that is street photography for you folks. I finally got my subject. And there's a bus. God damn it. You know what? I'm mad that I haven't gotten this shot. The world's against me, I'm gonna get it. Nope, whatever. I'm gonna get it. Another decent photo spot. Actually, this could be a cool one. She actually walks through that. Yeah, let me get around this pole. This here pole. Guardian flag. Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, even I hope the photos turned out well. Guess I can't really tell. You guys can see while you're watching the video, but yeah, it's just hopefully proves my point that Detroit is a really beautiful city. Definitely architecturally. It's really fun to just walk around and get some photos. Okay, I'm starting to get really fucking cold. I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Detroit Street Photography. I know everybody asks this, but like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me spread the word about Detroit and hopefully help more people take some photos and get downtown and whatnot. So with all that said, appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Bye.